Hi, here I am, Natasha Zellerbach, to be with you for a little while, talk to you about the 3 Ps of sustainability and paper. We've been talking about paper, how to conserve it, how to love it for a few of these live videos. And today I'm happy to be with you to tell you a bit more about it. Today we're going to take it from the perspective of how to use the 3 Ps, people, planet, prosperity, to make choices when you're dealing with your paper. And the reason this is important is we've actually talked about that before, but I want to reiterate, it's important to conserve paper. It's important to have reverence for our paper. And that's really what I'd like to talk to you about today. And then how to actually do that. How to act responsibly with our paper. A while back, I told you how I had spilled coffee, just right here by my desk, into the drawer that had all of my scrap paper in it. And I realized I'd been collecting scrap paper for a few years since I did a research paper on paper, and realized what a impact paper has on our planet, on Mother Earth, as well as on the people, and that we're actually not paying off our full fare. So I wanted to talk a little bit more about that incident and how it's impacted what I'm sharing with you today and have been this month. So the 3 Ps, I want to use that as a model because it's a great framework for making sustainable choices. Last time I used it as a framework for explaining why paper has such an impact on us and why we should save it. Today, I want to use it as a framework for understanding how to make sustainable choices to get a holistic perspective. So on starting with the people perspective, the people part, it has people part in my model and the way I understand and share sustainability with people is it's about the social aspects. It includes your happiness and your health and your mindfulness. So in this case, the incident of spilling the paper coffee into my paper drawer, it's made me be more mindful of my coffee. Now, when I have coffee in my hand, I actually drink the whole thing, enjoy the warmth, sip it. I'm more mindful of having the coffee. And then if I don't finish drinking it, it's a little tiny cup is easy to drink it. But if I don't, I set it way over there. So there's no way I can knock it into the drawer while I'm being flamboyant with my hands. So the people part is, in this case, it's about mindfulness and how that relates to sustainability. It is sustainable to be mindful with our actions. Who knew that spilling paper was going to be such a have such a positive experience on me and opportunity to share with you. So that was the first of the 3 Ps. Now the planet, we've talked about how Mother Earth's resources are used up through by using wood from forests. The production of paper creates waste and water pollution and air pollution. And then the prosperity part, the 3 P, includes a couple of things. One is our purchasing power. We can make a choice to buy recycled paper when we go to buy paper for our printers and for our writing. It may seem to be more expensive in the short run when you go to buy it. You've got your recycled paper next to your other paper. And if it costs more right now in the short term, you're actually paying more of the full fare. So that's in the prosperity part, I like to look at our purchasing power and using our dollars where our values are. It's valuable for us to pay the full fare and to buy paper that has a less impact on the environment. And the other part of that is to promote yourself and your business as somebody that has sustainable values. And then you're making an impact when you're purchasing it. You're making an impact when you tell your friends and colleagues. You're making an impact when you post your sustainability statement on your website. Let people know so that you can promote your business and yourself as a sustainable one and expand your sphere of influence. Let everybody know why you're doing this and share with them why you think it's important. We talked about how to use the 3 Ps to make sustainable choices. And I really encourage your participation. I'll put some prompts in the Facebook comments so that you'll have an opportunity to share what your thoughts are, what things you're already doing. And I just want to ask you now, what one thing will you do based on this little chat today? And you can put it in the chat box. It could be something as simple as, oh, I'm going to make some scratch paper pads, or I'm going to start using both sides of the paper. I'm going to feel really good when I have a piece of paper that I've already used, and just, if I have to put it in the recycle bin, really thank it for the service that it's provided and the resources that went into it. So what one little action can you take? So I want to leave you with, let's find ways to revere paper and have more conversations on this platform. The Green Champions we're called the Sustainability Champions, Green Champions. And we're all Green Champions because we care and we're putting our care into action. Thank you so much. Appreciate you being here, and let's have more conversations, which is what I really love about this Facebook group, is that we're sharing what works for us, as well as our challenges, and having conversations that are on an ongoing basis. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye-bye.